Severe weather in the form of strong blasts of Arctic air hit much of the United States early this week, following a storm system off the east coast that dumped snow on the mid-Atlantic and northeast over the weekend. As those areas dig out of the snow, a rare and significant winter storm will threaten the Gulf Coast and southeast states starting Monday evening. Up to 10 inches of snow is expected in some places, while much smaller snow accumulations could disrupt daily life. An extremely cold air mass affected the western, central, and eastern regions of the United States this week, causing temperatures to fall well below normal for January. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas in the United States have experienced extreme weather in the last few days.
I love when it's just quiet, it's peaceful. So let's see. I will open this motherfucker. Hold on.
This shit hit different. New England area, y'all doing the most. And why ain't the roads clear?
Reported on Monday, the highest temperature was estimated to be 20 to 30 degrees cooler than average. Across the northern plains and upper Midwest, temperatures are expected to reach the minus teens and single digits. The central plains and Midwest regions will likely see highs in the single digits to teens, while the East Coast, New England, and Mid-Atlantic are bracing for temperatures in the teens and 20s.
This shit hit different. New England area, y'all doing the most. And why ain't the roads clear?
I love when it's just quiet, it's peaceful. So let's see. I will open this motherfucker. Hold on.
Well, it's coming down hard. We're supposed to get 2 to 4 inches before the inauguration tomorrow. I'm south of DC in Alexandria.